Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, Cardano. Let's take a quick look back and zoom out where we actually come from. So we have moved from this wave 4 high that was back on end of May. We've been tracking this 5-wave move down, identified here a local low or a swing low that could have been the end of the overall correction. Yeah, this became more clear when we broke above this wave 1 high, in yellow here at 46 cents. From that point of view, I told you that my primary expectation will be bullish. However, not like a 90-10 or 80-20 probability, it's more like a 60-40. So we still have not really created a relevant impulse to the upside that we can be really bullish about ADA. It is first, it's a good indication what we're doing at the moment, and the things point towards the upside. The trend has shifted to the upside. However, it's still very early days, therefore very uncertain, and therefore we still have to expect a possible lower low, even though the primary expectation at the moment is up in line with the Elliott waves on the shorter time frames. So overall, we say that from the low here, which was at 40.2 cents, one second, down here, 40.3 cents on the 13th of July. We moved up in a wave 1, we came down in a wave 2, and based on that, we would now expect that we are in a wave 3, as we have not made any lower lows since then. In the wave 3, we have completed a wave 1 and a wave 2, and we are now expecting to be in the yellow wave 3 here of the wave 3. Again, within this wave 3, you also have subwaves, and at the moment we can count the low here at 49 cents as a, or 48.9 as the yellow wave 2 swing low, and we have since then continued to move up higher in a wave 1 and a wave 2 and possibly now in a wave 3. However, this is still a bit uncertain. There are a couple of ways how all of this can be counted. There is at the moment no guarantee that we will go up. However, we can focus on higher prices as long as we stay above 48.9 cents. Sort of more medium term, and short term above 49.4. This is this green low wave of wave 2. Now, a really good indication that wave 2 is finished would be a break above this channel. This has not happened yet, and again, there's unfortunately a couple of ways how this channel can be drawn as well. Either we consider the wicks or we don't. I think it might even be more relevant here not to consider the wicks. And if you go by that, first of all, we've got a couple of things. First of all, we're here at the breakout point now. And you can even draw this a little bit as an ascending wedge, which would be a sort of bearish pattern. But in Elliott waves, there are no wedges. There are leading diagonals and so on. So we don't really want to pay too much attention to these. But yeah, you could argue this is a decent, an ascending wedge that normally you would expect it to break to the downside. But again, a wedge can also break to the upside. It's not like it's always going down. So you will not... You normally don't trade anyway before a breakout. You wait for the breakout, because this breakout can go up or can go down. At the moment, when this trend line is breaking to the upside, I think this can take us to 54 cents, this wave 3. It would be the 1.618 extension of the wave 1 and would be an ideal wave 3 target. Should we, however, break here to the downside, I think the first support level would be the wave 2 low here at 49.4 cents. Ideally, we hold that. If we don't, we'll probably fall down to that 48.9 cent level and would hopefully also find support here on this ascending trend line. And as long as we hold above the 48.9 cent level, as I said, we could still be here in a bullish or immediately bullish scenario. Only if we lose this level, I think then we can come down to 45 cents. If we lose the 45 cent level, which is also a very important support, that higher wave degree, wave 2, even if we lose that, then I think we can come down to 40.2 cents, which is that swing low here. And then I think we have a good chance to make an even lower low than that. But we are not there yet. And as long as we stay in this scenario, we should also focus on it. But it's always worth knowing what will happen if these conditions are broken, and if we're not holding these conditions, because as long as we hold here this wave 2 low, we can currently focus on higher and would expect primarily a breakout of this wedge to the upside, or at least not a lower low below 49.4 cents. So yeah, again, keep an eye on this pattern. I think we're going to break that very, very soon either way. And in any case, you should be prepared now for what is likely the next likely scenario. Should we break up or should we break to the downside? Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And please also take a look at the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.